G'day, Hayden Quinn here, and today I am cooking a Lilydale free-range chicken breast skin on with a really lovely Chermoula spice rub straight on the barbecue. Really simple, super easy, great for sharing and great for entertaining. And today I'm using skin on breast, but you could use thigh, you could even rub the Chermoula spice all over a whole chicken and roast it, and that would just be absolutely amazing. But keeping it nice and easy here, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then we have our amazing spice mix. It's so flavorful, just packs such a great punch. I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top of our chicken breast, and then basically just dive in with your hands, rub it all around, make sure it's a nice even coating. Touch them together. Obviously you want to be careful of that skin. That's looking perfect. I'm going to go the skin side up, and then basically we'll just cook those over a nice gentle heat. There we go, look at that. You'll be able to smell it straight away. That Chermoula just smells absolutely amazing. How good. Lid goes down. Just going to turn the heat down to about medium. So this is looking epic, how good. Nice bit of colour on that skin, getting a little bit crispy. Okay, we are looking incredible right now. So these are ready to come off. Wow, that chicken breast is just so juicy looking. Wow, so there's our chicken breast skin on. What I'm gonna do is just garnish really quickly with a few lime wedges, and our chicken goes really well with that Chermoula spice. Just scatter them around your serving plate.